Here we go, folks. Monday morning, start of a new week. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Now, again, craziness last week. We had that inflation data out last Wednesday, the CPI, Consumer Price Index, big time number. Saw a lot of volatility on the back of that. Now we're entering a new week. This week, we've got retail sales data due up tomorrow. So we've got that on the data front. We've also got some housing data coming out on Wednesday. Now, this is the last full week before we get into the holidays. So we got Thanksgiving next week, and that's the kickoff really of the holiday season. We start to see things slow down. So just keep that in mind. Last full week. Now, Nadex, for the first time this year, will be open on Thanksgiving. Both Thanksgiving Day and the day after. We'll provide you with more updates as we get closer to that day and what our trading hours are going to look like. But for this week, again, some big data out on Tuesday, big data out on Wednesday. We still got a couple of earnings here and there. Markets heading into today's open, we're seeing the Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ all trade a little bit higher. The big mover once again this morning is oil. We're down 1.5%, more than $1 lower. We've broken below $80 a barrel. We've now got a 79 handle on oil. So another big move in that oil market. FX relatively quiet at the moment. All right, folks, let's get out there. Let's start this week strong. Again, last full week before the holidays, a lot to do. Let's get after it. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.